Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of September. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, that's amazing. And if it's not resonate with you, just skip it. Let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? Six of Cups, Strength, Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Queen of Cups, Nine of Sword, Justice, Eight of Wands. What are the mutual energies? Cancer, Leo. What are the mutual energies for Leo? Three of Cups, Page of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Leo with this Strength card, Libra with this Justice, Virgo with this Hermit, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Queen of Cups, Three of Cups, Six of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands. Let's talk about your person's feeling and your person Leo missing you really badly. They are missing the everything of you, your voice, you, emotions, feelings. You connect them to their inner child, and they are missing that child that you connected with them once, and they're really missing you with this, Six of Cups, and they're trying to be strong the way you are. They're trying to control these feelings and affection and love and desires that they got for you. They're trying to be, they're showing you I'm strong, and they have to strong because you are not giving yourself. You are just back off. You just turn your back from this person. You are in some kind of self isolation and you are just being with yourself. You really don't want to deal with anyone. You put distance between this person totally get that. Whenever they try to come closer, you being more far away from, just away from this person. And this is, they're just going with flow. They're trying to at the hand of the faith, at the mercy of faith right now. Just they are just totally let destiny and this universe and flow to handle them. And this flow is, they're going with flow, and already it's a really ups and down for them. Sometimes it's totally out of their control. They think like that they're losing it, and they're losing their grip, and they just okay, they let it go and just being in flow, going with flow and at the mercy of fate, because you are not cooperating with them, you are not compromising with them, you are not talking to them, you put distance. So it's, this person is their on their own. They are missing you, Leo, and they're trying to be strong the way you are, the way you become really strong in this person's matter. And you do have feelings for this person, and this person never give you the the what you deserve. You love them, you do have feelings for them, but this person never give you what you deserve. No equal give and take. This person take from you, and in return they never love you the way you want it, this person to love you. This person is not like responding you the way you want. So you decide that just don't give anything to this person. You detach yourself from this person, but you do have feelings, and this feelings and emotions is little bit darkness, because mix darkness mixed in these emotions, because no equal give and take. There were no equal give and take between you two. That's why you are just you think this person is not being fair with you. They judge you, but they never love you, and it's a really a painful situation for you. You are restless, you're sleepless. It's a really restlessness for you whenever you think about this person. Some kind of a lot of worst possibilities along with this person's thoughts. Communication, you know that this person want to communicate with you, And if this person try to communicate with you, you will demand what you deserve, and you deserve equal give and take. This person need to love you the way you love them. You need to give you respect the way you give them, the equality, the equal, you know. And this person cutting from you, you are being busy with your friends and family and enjoying and having good conversations with your friends and good time. You're busy here in a good way, in a party mood. You are hoping it's gonna be fine. Your life is gonna be fine. Your love life is totally going to, okay. You're interested somewhere in this person's actions and in this person's behavior. You do have some kind of interest in this person. You want to, know what is in this person's brain. Let's see what else we have for you, Leo. What else we have for Leo? And we are having here King of Sword, Ace of Pentacles, and the Empress. King of Sword, you are cold, Leo. You are hot, but not giving your warmth to this person. This is the getting from. You can give them the warmth, but you become cold. You are imposing your cold, tough looks on this person. You are really calculative and straightforward. This person getting from you. If they try to talk to you, if they try to sort out these things with you, you are so gonna give them cold shoulder and you cutting this person off and you totally not into this person's emotion. You think it's a trap. They getting from you. And with this Ace of Pentacles, you don't like mind games. You don't like tricks, games, sneaky things, douchey things in front of you. You know this person is lying to you. This person is hiding and using shortcuts. You don't like that. You're the most straightforward, stable person who talk out things instead of playing, mind games. And that's make you really beautiful. The Empress, the radiant and kind, and you are making your environment really inhabitable for others as well. You're making this world beautiful with your existence. Empress is all about when you are in these energies, when you are giving your part, when you are taking part, when you are contribute in this, making your environment beautiful, making this with your, even the environment is not that beautiful, but you with your behavior, when you create this beautiful aura, this beautiful reality around you, and you make this world more beautiful. You are like the positive person with this Empress card, with your radiant and kindness, your kind vibrations and waves. You making your environment more inhabitable and beautiful. This is the time when you contribute in this person's, in this world's beauty and enhancing world's beauty. Let's see what else we have for you, Leo. These cards: Six of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the World. With the Six of Wands, this person want to win you over. You are an achievement for them. Whenever they're with you, they feel like that I achieve a really, I am a victorious, I am the successor. This person want to feel these feelings again, and they want to win you over. And with this Queen of Wands, with this Empress, when you become Empress, automatically for your own age group, you are totally attractive, charming, desirable, beautiful person with a beautiful brain, and you are a center of attention. You are being bold. You say things in a really beautiful, bold way, in a really sexy way. This is the, in upcoming days, you feel like that, Leo. You are a center of attention. Just enjoy this phase. It's a beautiful thing when you connect to your passion and your desires, when you feel alive again inside, and you become more confident with your appearance and with yourself. World, when you are totally protected, when you think like that, no need to do anything, just let divine universe decide for you. And that's how you become more protected. And the finishing point, when things complete and things completing, you in the upcoming days, you feel more complete when you make peace. Whatever happened in your life and whatever happening in your life, you think it makes sense when you understand that. When you think, yes, it's meant to be, and it's happening, it's okay, it's need to be happen. if bad or good, whatever, you just make peace with that, with this world card. When you think, yeah, it's mean, it's okay, it's need to be, I need that, I have to, I should, yes, it's that's how things works out. This is the, and this give you the comfort and satisfaction. Let's see what else we have for you, Leo. You are at the end of a cycle in your life. Call upon your angels to comfort you and to guide you your next step. Happiness awaits you now. If I connect, this is the most relevant card with the world. Word is about when a cycle complete, when a step complete, when a round complete, and you think, yeah, whatever happened, it's for good. Then you satisfied and make peace whatever happened in you, what is happening with you. And this is indicating the next thing, telling you it's a cycle complete and now it's need to ask for help and happiness waiting for you now. Let's see what advice messages. Stop blaming yourself, it's destiny. Heal. Don't be options. Spend some time with nature. Shine in your inner light. These are few advice messages in the end, and somebody of your reading is this person missing you, but they can't do anything. They're totally surrendered because you are really strong and you put some kind of distance. And this person want to win you over. You are not loving this person because this person is unable to give you and love you the way you deserve and the way you want. First communication between you two, and you just around complete. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.